ESL Lessons for Beginners. Master Basic English Grammar. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I have something special for all the language learners out there. Whether you're new to English or just want to brush up on your grammar skills, this video is perfect for you. Join me as we dive into the world of ESL lessons for beginners and master the basic rules of English grammar. We'll start off by covering the essentials, from the English alphabet and numbers to days of the week and months. Don't worry if you're feeling a little overwhelmed right now. I've got you covered with easy explanations, engaging examples, and interactive exercises to help you practice what you've learned. Next up, we'll explore personal and family information, social interactions, and classroom essentials. Imagine confidently introducing yourself, answering questions about your age, school, and family, and even expressing your emotions in English. Sounds exciting, right? As we progress, we'll tackle important topics like time, calendar, and weather. You'll not only learn how to tell the date and time but also understand the concepts of weekdays and weekends. Plus, we'll touch upon body parts and verbs related to movement, as well as discuss clothing and food groups. Throughout the video, I'll provide you with handy tips and tricks to make your learning journey smoother and more enjoyable. By the end of this video, you'll have a solid foundation in basic English grammar, allowing you to communicate confidently in everyday situations. So sit back, relax, and get ready to embark on this exciting language learning adventure with me. Whether you're studying English for school, work, or simply for fun, this video is a must-watch. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you never miss an update from my channel. Alright, let's dive right into our first lesson on the English alphabet. Section 1. English Alphabet. Welcome to the very beginning of your English journey. Today, we're going to start with something fundamental, the English alphabet. It might seem simple, but mastering the alphabet is the first step towards building a strong foundation in English. Subscribe for more. Full videos coming soon.